Hi, it's Kudras here. Today we are unboxing Morek 22 kilowatt portable charger. So mobile charger that you can take with you on your trips and use it wherever you want to use it. The adapter comes with this quite nice bag. So that means it's possible to easily storage. Inside the bag we have this adapter and also certification that the product has been tested. So that means before we ship anything we are testing it, making sure that it can take what it needs to be taken and also is capable of charging. On the adapter we have Type 2 plug with this protective cap, 5-meter charging cable, and input comes from 3-phase 32 amps. And of course, as this is the adjustable adapter, means that it's possible also to charge it from one phase. I'm not going to show the adapter to one phase at the moment, but it's possible to do it. On the adapter itself, again we have this adjustable power, charging power button here. You can adjust the charging power from 6 amps to 32 amps, and also it's possible to schedule the start of the charging. So for example, if your house is consuming a lot of power at the moment, but you are already want to connect the car, you can delay the start from here. On the back of the charger adapter there is a manual. You can understand what's going on with your product, and also if you don't remember anything, it's always possible to come back here and see it, because this is always with you. So this adapter is 22 kilowatt, so that means 32 amps 3-phase is needed to charge in maximum power. And maximum power means about up to 110 kilometers per hour to the car. But keep in mind, not all cars support 22 kilowatt charging. Mostly cars support 11 kilowatt. But as this is adjustable, that means you can choose the output power. And therefore it's not mandatory that you will only use it on the 3-phase. You can also use it on 1-phase. You can also downgrade it a little bit less power, and I would say it's good product for industrial companies which have maybe a little bit more power available. But also, again, as this is adjustable product, you can use it at home even if you don't have 32 3-phase power. This is good product, reliable and tested on the road. On my part, thumbs up.